Hello and welcome to another great episode of Joe Sent Me. My name is Joe, and today we're going to talk about a house that I have not talked about ever on this channel before. Really excited to talk about Liquide Imaginaire for the first time. And I have 3 perfumes for you. This is the only one in its full presentation. The others are just in tester boxes. So I'm going to whip these out real quick, and then we're going to talk about what we're going to experience here shortly. Now, these 3 fragrances were sent to me for review by our friends from So Avant-Garde, also known as the Fragrance Group. Same folks, same wonderful people, but So Avant-Garde. And here I am right now. I'm going to be doing Bloody Wood first. Now, there's no cap here, so that's fine. But this is the bottle. The bottle stays the same. The cap, you'll see the cap in just a moment. Bloody Wood. Love the name, by the way. Let's see what this is all about here. I'm excited. First impression. Ooh, nice. Boozy, woody, dark, fruity. It's beautiful. I love it. I just love the way it makes you feel when you spray it too, because it's sort of a mouth-watering, boozy fruitiness to it, but then it goes into like sort of a resinous, woody dry down. Really, really nice. Really nice. Second from this lovely house, we have Dom Rosa. And I don't know if you have ever experienced Dom Rosa, but this one, I think, is going to be a rose. Let's see. Ooh, yeah, it's a fruity rose, very fruity and musky too. Beautiful, almost boozy rose. Beautiful, boozy, fruity rose. Man, that's another gorgeous one for the win right there. And then this is what the full presentation looks like. By the way, the price points of these are very fair. Just about $200. And let's pull it out. Beautiful little satchel that it comes with. Comes with like a little card on the inside. Comes with 2 cards actually. One that has the information right here in English and in French. And then there's another card in here with like a booklet here to talk about in different languages about Liquide Imaginaire. So, but let's start with this. So this is what the actual bottle looks like with the cap. Beautiful cap. Nice metal. This is proprietary design to our folks here at Liquide Imaginaire. And this one is called Fortis. Fortis to me says it's strong. When I hear the name Fortis, I think of strength. And I also love the purple juice. This is very dark purple juice. You won't really notice it until you throw it up against the light. Now, this is a dark, spicy, woody, almost smoky, incensey, very dark, very brooding, very enigmatic, very gothic almost. This one is called Fortis. Wow. I can't wait to rock these. I think all 3, well, let's say Bloody Wood and Fortis are going to be your fall, winter. And I think that Dom Rosa can be kind of anywhere, anytime. Dom Rosa, I feel like you could wear that anytime. So that's a quick look at Liquide Imaginaire. And really excited to finally add these to my collection. And yeah, I have a feeling this is going to garner a lot of interest and comments from folks who smell me wearing these. Now, what's your experience with Liquide Imaginaire? Do you have favorites? I'd love to know what your favorites are. And if none of these are on your list, then I'd like to know which ones are so that I can also research those and take advantage of that. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you have a wonderful day. Take care.